Welcome to third standard social class study session. In today's session, we are going to learn about sanctuaries in India. Along with it, we also learn about National Park and Biosphere Reserve in India. Let us go into the session.
In this session, we are going to learn more information about sanctuaries. Sanctuary is a place where animals and birds are protected. Let us learn more information about it. Here we learn some new words found in this lesson. The first word, environment, which means the natural place where the plant or animal live. Sanctuary, a place where animals and birds are protected. Species, a particular type of plant or animal is called a species. So far we learn about the sanctuary through a conversation between Anu and grandfather. Let us continue the conversation. Anu, what about birds? Grandfather, if you want to see different types of birds, then we must visit Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary. Anu, where is it? Grandfather, it is 25 km from Chengalpattu. Anu, I am sure there are some really unique and colorful birds. Grandfather, yes, Anu, birds that migrate from different parts of the world can be found here. You can find pelicans, night herons, and many more birds. Migrate. What is the meaning migrate? A bird and an animal move from one place to another due to change in seasons. Animal migration is relatively long distance movement of individual animals, birds, usually on a seasonal basis. It is the most common form of migration in ecology. It is found in all major animal groups including birds, mammals, fish, reptiles, amphibians, insects, etc. Let us continue the conversation. Anu, can we find peacocks there? Grandfather, no, Anu. Peacocks can be found in their natural habitat at Viralimalai in Trichy. Anu, I would love to visit this place. Let us think. What is the difference between birds that migrate and birds that do not migrate? Migration is marked by its annual seasonality. Non-migratory birds are said to be resistant or sedentary. Approximately 1,800 of the world's 10,000 bird species are long-distance migrants. Many birds' population migrate a long distance along a flyway. Let us know. Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary is the oldest water bird sanctuary in India. Let us continue the conversation. Grandfather, sure. Do I tell you about the one-horned rhinoceros? Anu, are there one-horned rhinoceros? This picture shows one-horned rhinoceros. Grandfather, yes, Anu, very rare species of rhinoceros are protected in Kaziranga National Park. Anu, where is it? Grandfather, it is in Assam. Kaziranga National Park is in Assam. Let us know. Kaziranga National Park is the home of one-horned rhinoceros. It has around 2/3 of all rhinoceros in the world. Due to the successful conservation efforts, the number of one-horned rhinoceros have been increased in this national park. Let us know. The 3 biosphere reserves in Tamil Nadu are Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve, Agasthyamala Biosphere Reserve. What is a biosphere reserve? Biosphere reserves are area of terrestrial and coastal ecosystem promoting solutions to reconcile the conservation of biodiversity with its sustainable use. They are internationally recognized, nominated by the national government, and remain the rule of the state where they are located. Next, we are going to learn about Asiatic line through a conversation between Anu and grandfather. Anu, Grandpa, you did not tell me about lines. Grandfather, oh yes, Gir National Park in Gujarat has Asiatic lines. Anu, very interesting. Grandfather, animals, birds, and different types of plants are important part of our environment. Anu, yes, Grandpa, we must never harm them. It is our duty to protect them. Let us recap. Sanctuaries and national parks are places where animals and birds are protected from hunting and other human activities. Biosphere reserves are the place where plants, animals, and birds are protected. Royal Bengal tiger can be seen in Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand, and Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal. Some biosphere reserves in Tamil Nadu include Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve, and Agasthyamala Biosphere Reserve. Kaziranga National Park in Assam is the home of one-horned rhinoceros.
I hope you got clear information about sanctuaries, national park and biosphere reserve in India. Thank you students. Have a nice day.